Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best free registry error fixer software for any Windows computer. So without more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and Google search for one application named as Windows Registry Repair by Regshop. And the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now here you will see a download option. Just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to run this software installer. Click on next, click on next, click on next, click on next, click on finish. So now you can see the user interface of this software. So on the left side you will see a various options: full scan, custom scan, fix errors, restore options. So you can see here under the options some more options. You can create a system restore point before repairing errors, ignore missing files on removable drives, or you can add a registry key to exclude also. And below you can see the save backup files too. So you can do these things inside the options. So now let us do a full scan. So finally you can see the scanning has been completed. Now you can see the total number of errors found on my respective computer. As you can see here, this much. So already it has been selected, so you can just untick it if you want to untick those some errors. So right now I want to fix all these errors. So now in order to fix all these errors, just click on this fix errors. So finally the errors has been fixed completely. So you can see at the below some information, fix error finish. So this much of errors were fixed. So all my registry errors has been fixed successfully. So in my opinion, it's the best free registry error fixer software for any Windows computer that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.